Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to talk about how internationally educated physiotherapist, someone who is educated in India, someone who has completed his BPT degree in India can work in Canada. So there are two options available for physiotherapist who is internationally educated and intending to work in Canada. Firstly, you can directly take a Canadian PR from your home country via express entry. If you are a CRS score, that is a comprehensive ranking system, a score which is required for the PR if the score matches to the score decided by the Canadian government for the PR. And the second option is you can directly come on student visa, that is SDS visa, student direct stream visa. Why PR through the express entry is difficult nowadays? Because CRS score nowadays required for Canadian PR is very high. I vividly remember that it is around 470. In CRS scoring system, they will evaluate your degree, your work experience, your age, and many more things. And based on that, they will give you a CRS score. Only those candidates score matches to the desired score who has a very high profile. I want to say high profile in terms of a master degree, PhD degree with a healthy work experience. Thus, it is best option to immigrate into Canada via student visa because someone who is fresher, someone who has a less experience, cannot be eligible for the Canadian PR. Now, what are the courses you can do in Canada as a student? Firstly, there are four type of courses that are available for students who want to do their study in Canada. Firstly, the master degree. Secondly, the post graduation diploma that you can do if your bachelor degree is completed. Thirdly, secondary diploma, and final is advanced diploma. If you do a 1 year of course, that is diploma or secondary diploma or advanced diploma, then you will get a 1 year of work permit after completion of the course. If you do a 2 years of course, then you will get a 3 years of work permit. So you will have a 5 years, 2 years for study and 3 years for work permit. And if you do a 3 years of course, then also you will get a 2 years of work permit. So it is advisable to do a 2 years of course so you can get a 3 years of work permit after completion of the course. Now, why most of the physiotherapists who are internationally educated, who have completed their degree, Bachelor of Physiotherapy degree in India, and intending to go to Canada, choose a PG diploma, that is post graduation diploma or diploma course in Canada? Why? Because master degree in Canada is totally different from in India. In India, we usually do our Master of Physiotherapy, that is MPT, in orthopedic, cardio, neuro, and cardiopulmonary science. But in Canada, there is no such specialization. In Canada, the master is totally research based, and there are some disadvantages of master, such as it is very expensive. People usually have to face a high competition, and also the employment opportunity is not good in Canada after pursuing a master degree in physiotherapy. So it is advisable to do a diploma course or PG diploma course. And in diploma course in Canada, it has a very good value, not like it is inferior course. It has very good employment opportunity. So most of the physiotherapists who are internationally educated, who have completed their degree in Bachelor of Physiotherapy degree in India, usually choose a PG diploma course in Canada. Now, coming to the courses that are available for internationally educated physiotherapists, PG diploma and diploma courses. Firstly, diploma course in OTA PTA, that is occupational therapy assistant and physiotherapy assistant. Second is diploma in fitness and health promotion. Third one is post graduation diploma in healthcare administration. It is a PG diploma course of 2 years. Fourth one is diploma in gerontology. Then a diploma in massage therapy and diploma in kinesiology. These are some common courses, although there are some other courses are available, but these are some common courses which physiotherapists usually choose for their study. Now, after completion of 2 years of course, you will have a 3 years of work permit, in which you can work in Canada as a physiotherapy assistant or in the field in which you have completed your diploma or PG diploma. For instance, you have completed your diploma course in fitness and health promotion, you can work as a fitness instructor in a gym or in other recreation center, or else you can work as a physiotherapy assistant on the degree on the base of the degree which you have earned in India, that is BPT. Why you cannot work as a registered physiotherapist in Canada if you have completed your BPT degree in India? This is the common question which usually arise in the mind of the physiotherapist. So the answer is you cannot work directly as a independent physiotherapist in Canada if you have completed your Bachelor of Physiotherapy degree in India. The reason is that those physiotherapists who are internationally educated have to clear a PCE, that is a physiotherapy competency exam in Canada, that is a license exam to become a registered physiotherapist or independent physiotherapist in Canada. If you want to work as a licensed physiotherapist in Canada, you have to compulsorily clear the Canadian PCE exam, because even though you have completed your Bachelor of Physiotherapy degree in India, you will be considered as a physiotherapy assistant in Canada unless you clear the PCE license exam. So simultaneously, while working in a 3 years of post-graduation work permit as a PTA or in the field in which you have completed your study, you have to clear a PCE exam, PCE license exam, and become a licensed physiotherapist in Canada, and you can apply for a PR. Even though you don't clear for the PCE exam, you can apply for PR. Would my CRS score increase after working and studying in Canada? The answer is simply yes, because after earning a Canadian education and working there for at least 2 years in 3 years of work permit, so if you have completed 2 years of education and after that you will have a 3 years of work permit period, so you can just work for 2 years, and in last year of work permit, so in 5th year you can apply for a PR. You will become eligible because your CRS score will increase dramatically because of your Canadian education that you have earned in PG diploma or diploma course, and also they will count your score for your experience, work experience. So you can become eligible for PR. So that's how you can get a permanent residency in Canada.